हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर एंड जीके। मेरा नाम है तन्वी सावंत और आज मैं आप लोगों से हॉर्टिकल्चर एक्सटेंशन ऑफिसर का सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हॉर्टिकल्चर एक्सटेंशन ऑफिसर सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर। द फर्स्ट पेज कंसिस्ट ऑफ द इंस्ट्रक्शंस and there are total 170 questions in this exam, of which 120 questions are related to horticulture. So I will be discussing only the 120 questions. I will be saying the first question and its answer directly. If the explanation is needed, I will explain the answer. First, gardenia is a popular C flowering shrub. Endosperm is missing in the seed of D orchid. As we know, carnation, chrysanthemum and rose includes endosperm in their seed. Citrus latifolia is triploid in nature. Maximum percentage of nitrogen present in fertilizer is in anhydrous ammonia. Urea, CAN and ammonium sulfate have less percentage of nitrogen present in it. Fifth, hercogamy. Hercogamy favors B. Cross-pollination. Hercogamy is a mechanism in which the stigma and the style have different positions which avoids self-pollination, but it favors cross-pollination. So the answer is cross-pollination. For sugar translocation of grape, which of the following element is necessary? A. Boron. 7. Pungency of garlic is due to B. Diallyl disulfide. In this, A. Isothiocyanate, it is present in coal crops, and allyl propyl disulfide is present in onions. So the correct answer is diallyl disulfide. Which of the following fruits is rich in pectin and acid? D. Jamun. As we know, pomegranate, pear and apple have less amount of pectin and also less amount of acid. Also jamun, we can make jam of it, so indirectly we can also consider the answer D. Jamun. Which of the following fruit is non-climatic? A. Citrus. Avocado, sapota and persimmon are climatic, that is after the harvest it ripes, that its respiration process is in high level. 10th question, plow crop is common name of the following fruit? C. Cashew nut. Edible part of cashew apple is B. Peduncle. As you have seen the cashew apple, which has a peduncle, which is a fleshy part and which is edible. 12th question, bottleneck is a disorder of cucumber. Complete genetic heterozygosity and heterogeneity is found in synthetics. Heterobeltosis is estimated over the beta parent. For population improvement in any crop, best method is 15th question. The correct answer is D. Recurrent selection. 16th question. Yellow color of onion is due to quercetin. As we know, allicin and malvalin and orlis are related to other crops. Allicin is mostly, I guess, in garlic. So quercetin is responsible for the color of onion. Potato is C. Autotetraploid, because other autohexaploid, allotetraploid are considered as there are other crops of other fruit crops which are autohexaploid. So potato is autotetraploid. Wine is preserved at 14% alcohol. Soil productivity takes into account soil fertility only. Soil fertility is the only measure of element which is responsible for the soil productivity. 20th question. Contour system of orchard planting is generally followed in A hills. As you know, contour system is like the steps type system of planting which is suitable for hills only. Semi-hardwood cutting is mostly used to propagate the following, that is evergreen fruit trees. Cryopreservation is done by liquid nitrogen at temperature 196 degrees Celsius. Most of the times we have this by heart that minus 196 degrees Celsius is related to cryopreservation or by liquid nitrogen. Tea budding is also referred as sea shield budding. 24th question. In apple, dwarfing rootstock are good for high density planting. For spacing to be reduced, high density planting, dwarfing rootstocks are used because the height is reduced and hence they can be planted close to each other. Commercial propagation of papaya is done by a seed. Best time of pruning of peach is B. Midwinter. Pear is adapted to a temperate climate. It is the spelling mistake, temperate climate, that is a cool climate. Pear is mostly grown in cooler climates, temperate zone. 28th, stratification is essentially a chilling treatment. As we know that stratification is used for enhancing germination of the seed. 29th question. Pineapple is originated in Brazil. Whiptail is physiological disorder of B. Cauliflower. Pusa mukta variety of cabbage is resistant to black rot, and it is also a famous variety of cabbage which is resistant to black rot only. Cole crops are predominantly B. cross pollinated. So as we know, many of the cole crops like cabbage, cauliflower are mostly cross-pollinated. So the correct answer is cross-pollinated. 33rd question. Which is a copper fungicide? Blitox. Red rust is a disease of, as we all know, it is a disease of mango. Chrysanthemum is a short day plant. Most of the times we move towards it is a long day plant, but no, it is a short day plant as it is annual flowering plant. Pinching is generally done for the quality production of decarnation. As we see dahlia, gladiolus, they don't need pinching, so carnation is the correct answer. Cactus is generally suited for sunny side. Of course, cactus requires sun throughout and it can survive dry climate. 30th question. Gynomonoecious mean female and bisexual flower. As we can see the A option, all female flowers means this gynoecious. All male flowers means it is androecious. So the correct answer is female and bisexual flowers. 39 question. Crossing over during meiosis results in B. breaking linkage. As we know the process of meiosis, when the crossing over takes place, the linkage is broke. 40th question. Which is not a pest of apple? As we know, woolly aphid, tent caterpillar and Sanjo scale are the pests of apple, so the remaining gall shoot maker is not a pest of apple. Rich source of vitamin A is D. mango ripe. 42th question. Which fruit is rich source of fat? The correct answer is avocado. Jamun has same family as guava. Which of the following is the most salt tolerant crop? Amla, as banana, mango and pomegranate are not at all salt tolerant. Amla is very hardy crop. Which is the example of aggregate fruit? Breadfruit. As if you can imagine a breadfruit, you will know why it is an aggregate fruit. Which is called as a protective food? Fruits and vegetables. 47th question. Pollination in coca is done by B. insect. Daily requirement of vegetable per capita per day is 285 gram. In the general knowledge and the basics of how much vegetable is required per day, you must have read it is 285 gram. So the correct answer is C. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research is located at C. Varanasi. Onion is stored at a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, which is appropriate for its storage, and it will also avoid the sprouting. 51 question. How much area is suitable for kitchen gardening for a family of 5 persons? 250 meters square. 52. Ikebana is a flower arrangement. It is not a bonsai culture nor a soil culture. It is a flower arrangement. 53. Which plant is suitable for bonsai making? A. Pinus roxburghi. Hibiscus and ixora are flowering shrubs. They are not suitable for bonsai making. Inactivation of enzyme is done by blanching. Blanching is a technique in which hot high temperature water is used, which inactivates the enzyme, which enhances the color of the product or the vegetable or the fruit, and it helps in proper storage also. Heroin drug is prepared from which medicinal plant? C. Opium. A chemical extracted from datura which withdraws the reaction of morphine is D. Nicotine. 57 question. Which medicinal plant is effective for control of blood pressure? A. Rauwolfia serpentina. Rauwolfia serpentina is also known as Sarpagandha. It is known for the control of blood pressure. Transgenic plants can be produced under B. Controlled climate. Which is not a C3 plant? All of these. As we know, maize, barley and sugar beet are C4 plants, so they are not C3 plants. Which is the monocot crop? All of these. Pineapple, date palm and banana are monocot in nature. 61. Which of the following is prepared from fermentation? Cedar. Sauce is made of tomato and it doesn't require fermentation. Squash is also made up of fruits and which requires only cooking, and jam is also requires cooking and pectin content. It doesn't require fermentation, so cedar is the correct answer. The term horticulture is C. Latin. Hand atomizer is used for spraying in nursery, as it is very convenient that the hand atomizer for nursery plants. Hence, A is the correct answer. 64th question. The pump used in power operated sprayer is gear type. Solar cells used in solar panel are used to convert solar energy into C. Electrical energy. 66th question. Solar cells are made up of silicon, semiconductor element and germanium. The answer is D. All of these. Solar radiation received by every square meter is 0.64 kilojoule per second. This you have to by heart. The production of gas from 1 kilogram of wet dung in biogas plant is 0.037 meter cube. 69. The pH value of slurry for better gas production should be between 7 to 8, which is like neutral to a slight basic. Kinetic energy of raindrop depends upon D. Both B and C, that is terminal velocity and particle size. 71. Which method of plant propagation involves the use of girdling, that is layering? As you know, if layering, how it is done, it is the upper layer of the plant, the skin is removed by girdling and rooting medium is applied, so it forms roots and they are covered with moss or some moist substance which enhance the rootings. This is one of the plant propagation technique. Grafting, cutting and micro propagation doesn't involve girdling. 72. A type of food preservation technique that involves sealing food in sterilized airtight containers is called as sea canning. Equipment designed with proper application of human factor principles can load to following performances: increase efficiency and productivity, increase reliability, increase safety, and decrease operator efforts. The answer is D, all of these. 74 question. The soil working tools are made up of high toughness and strength, abrasion resistance, self-sharpening and good scoring, and D, all of these. The drying process involves heat and mass transfer. The chemical which attracts opposite sex insects of a species is known as D, pheromones. The seeding behind the plow method of sowing is generally used for A, maize. 78th question. The watershed is drainage basin contributing the runoff to a single outlet or hydrological entity, unit of area extent in which hydrologic cycle completes, or D, all. The answer is D, all of these. The science which deals with the measurement of flow is known as B, hydrometry. Evaporation from water bodies and soil masses together with the transpiration from vegetation is termed as D, all of these. Means it is also called as evapotranspiration, which is also water loss, and total loss or total evaporation. 81st question. The geologic erosion is also called as D, that is B, both B and C, that is natural erosion or water erosion. The correct answer is B, natural erosion, which is not a hybrid variety of mango. It is D, Dashari. As we know, Dashari is a very old variety. It is not a hybrid. It is not a cross of two varieties. What is the place of India in the world in tea production? The answer is first. Pheromone trap attracts A, male moths, as pheromone traps have the substances which are present on female moths, hence male moths get attracted to the trap. Success of rural projects depends upon A, agriculture extension. Agriculture extension has a major role in the success of projects in all the villages. 86. Opening and closing of stomata depends on C, transpiration. Water use efficiency is highest in case of drip irrigation. As we know that drip irrigation is a drop to drop, the water reaches to the roots of the plant, hence the efficiency is high. 88th question. Sexual reproduction includes C, allogamy. Living cells are not essential for evaporation. Stomata open at a night in cam plants. Zoological name of white grub is A, Holotrichia consanguina. You have to by heart all the botanical names of the insects or the pest. 92. Which one of the following fertilizer is known as Kisan Khad? Answer is B, calcium ammonium nitrate. 93. Which is the most widely distributed and commercially reared honeybee species in the world? Answer is D, Apis mellifera. Groundnut pegs when developed in the soil from B, fruits. 95. Crop rotation helps to D, eliminate parasites which have selective host. As we rotate the crop, the host which are likely to attack the same crop, if we plant the same crop again the next year, the host will attack it. So to eliminate parasites which have selective host, we do crop rotation. WP abbreviates as wettable powder. The average gestation period in buffalo is of how many days? A. 10 days. 90th question. In maize plant, silk appears first. Tassels appear first or both appears. So as we have seen the maize plant, when it starts to fruit or bear the maize, the silk appears first. What is the rank of India in the world as a fruit producer? It is second in rank. 100 question. White rust is an important fungal disease of. The answer is B. Mustard. Which of the following is not a nitrogenous fertilizer? D. Superphosphate. As from the names, we can see that ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate and urea, they have nitrogen in it, very major amount of, and superphosphate has phosphorus in it. So next question, 102. HD2967 is the new high yielding variety of D. Wheat. We can remember the varieties of wheat as HD. It has majorly HD as its in its variety name. The scientific study of soil is called as seed pedology. Which of the following two crops are responsible for almost 75% of pulse producing in India? A. Gram and pigeon pea. Propagation of rose is by tea budding and cutting, so the answer is both A and B. Black tip is most common disorder of D. Mango. Citrus canker is a disease. It is not a pest nor an insect. It is a disease. This is evergreen fruit plant. So as we can see, apple, pear and cherry, they are temperate. They lose their leaves in winter season. So C is the correct answer, as we have many of us have seen the sapota have is always green and always evergreen throughout the year. 109. Fruit having highest production in India is A. Banana. Which of the following green manure crop contains highest amount of nitrogen? Answer is A. Dhencha. Boron deficiency tends to occur when pH is, the correct answer is B. 6.8. What is the atomic weight of hydrogen? A. 12. 113 question. Fertilizer can be applied to the fruit plants as surface broadcast, top dressing, liquid feedings, hence the correct answer is all of these. 114th question. 2,4-D is a herbicide. Also, it is used as a weedicide, but the options are pesticide, rodenticide, and insecticide. So the correct answer is herbicide. In which district hazelnut grown in Himachal Pradesh? The answer is C. Oh, sorry, the answer is Chamba. D. Chamba. Avocado is a fruit plant. The tree most famous in India for cricket bats is D. Weeping willow. Sorghum belongs to the family C. Palmaceae. Most of the times while choosing the option, we can choose which is most uncertain or which is like, oh, I don't think so, this is the answer. That can be the answer if we don't know the answer. So next question, 119th. Addition of lime in the soil increases the pH of soil. Type of inflorescence found in banana is spadix. As we have seen the inflorescence of banana, it is spadix. Sesame, umbel and cyme most of the times are present in temperate crops like carrot, cabbage, cauliflower. So we have finished 120 questions here. Other all questions are about general knowledge and everything, which is quite easy. So I am concluding here. आई होप कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूज़फुल रही होगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कर दीजिए, इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। सो वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। फिर मिलेंगे। थैंक यू।